Let's start. The project name is the tab layout with static fragments. Let's see the project structure. Here we have the main activity, 3 fragments, a view pager adapter. In the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the layout of the main activity, and UI files of the 3 fragments. In the activity_main.xml file, the constraint layout is the root layout. This is the tab layout. This is the view pager. The UI of the 3 fragments is simple. We have just shown a text view in them. Let's see the Java code now. This is the view pager adapter that extends the fragment state adapter. This adapter creates the fragments for the view pager and keeps their count. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members of the class. In the onCreate function, we have added our 3 fragments to an array list. Then we set up the view pager with the adapter. Here we set the title and icon of the tabs. We have kept the fragments as they are. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a tab layout with static fragments in Java Android. Thanks for watching.